Today let's have a speaking practice using different action words. I'm listening to music. I'm listening to music. I'm riding a bike. I'm riding a bike. I'm making a pad. I'm making a pad. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm washing my face. I'm washing my face. I'm flying a kite. I'm flying a kite. I'm doing homework. I'm doing homework. I'm brushing my hair. I'm brushing my hair. I'm dancing ballet. I'm dancing ballet. I'm calling my mom. I'm calling my mom. I'm watering the plants. I'm watering the plants. I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book. I'm playing basketball. I'm playing basketball. I'm eating breakfast. I'm eating breakfast. I'm playing piano. I'm playing piano. I'm drinking water. I'm drinking water. I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. I'm taking photo. I'm taking photo. I'm running. I'm running. I'm walking. I'm walking. I'm singing. I'm singing. I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. I'm painting. I'm painting.